So we're outside of the beautiful Dirty Britches. How did you guys pick the space, and tell us about the area?
We started looking at laundromats in the Tampa Bay area. We started with ones that were for sale. This one happened to be for sale, but it was a very small, old laundromat. It was about 1,500 square feet, which we weren't really interested in. We wanted to go bigger and larger and nicer. So we actually said no to that laundromat, but we were in the process of looking for space to lease. Within that picture of the 3,000 square feet that we could lease, there was a sign of a laundromat that said Spring Hill Laundromat. And I said, wow, Lisa, I think that's the one we just said no to. So upon a little bit further investigation, that was in fact the one we said no to. So we said, well, why don't we just knock the wall down, blow it out, and turn it into a 4,500 square foot laundromat? And that's exactly what we did. And the things just fell into place. We honestly thought it was a God thing, or, you know, it definitely thought it was a God thing, because everything just fell into place. They had the exact amperage of electric that we needed. They had exactly the plumbing that we needed. And it just was a perfect situation. You know, in addition to that, the road frontage was great. The price for the lease was great. And there's very little competition in the area. And the competition we did have in the area, we weren't very concerned about. So it was just a great location for us.
That's great.